All right, guys, we got the adventure fam. And on this episode of House of Pawlyk, we are doing the Black Cliff Dive. I've been waiting my whole life to jump off the cliffs in Hawaii. You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Who's nervous?
I'm a little bit. I don't want to be eaten by a shark.
That's the one thing that makes me nervous is jumping off of high things. The Jaws Bridge was like my limit.
Oh boy, what about you, Bubs?
I'm excited.
You excited? How many flips you gonna do?
And a 12. And
12 flips?
And another 12 and another 12.
Are you doing any flips, V?
Maybe. One team.
Hey, you flipping?
Depends.
Are you nervous or are you excited?
I'm not nervous to jump. I'm really excited to jump.
Me too. All right, let's get over there. All right, we made it to the cliff. We're just getting some flotation devices because we gotta swim all the way out there to that point and then climb. And it's pretty far and it gets deep quick. So me and the adventure boy Bubby, we're playing here on the water while the girls go and get our flotation. You excited, Bubs? Give me a little preview of what you're gonna do. Show me a little jump preview. Give me a little something. Wow. We're gonna get some crazy flips like that. All right, Bubby Shark's getting wrecked right now in the waves. He likes to go in just over his head, then ride the waves in, and then he likes to get crushed by the aftershock. Where are the big ones? You think?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks all right. Oh, look, the undertow sucking everything back out. Oh, here comes a good one, I think. Whoa, the undertow's got him. Guys, jump in. He's getting hammered.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off for now. I don't want it to get like bad. It's just for if we get. I really don't like.
All right, we're almost to the rock.
We're like halfway.
A little more than that. It's right there. Then we're just gonna figure out a way to climb. The guy just told us, but I don't remember.
He said there's a little invert.
I was just kind of shaking my head. I didn't want him to have to explain it 7 times.
The water is
So we gotta figure out how to climb ourselves up there. But the water is bananas. It's so deep, but you can't. You can still see all the way to the bottom. Like that turtle?
Yeah.
Oh man, I wish I had a mask.
It swam right onto me and I was so confused.
Alright, let's figure out how to climb this rock, guys.
Okay,
We'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm super high. I'm terrified. Oh my god. That was so bananas. It feels like you fall for 1,000 years. Yeah. You fall for 1,000 years.
Did you hit the bottom?
No.
Dad, can you help me get on that? Yeah, that was me.
Wow. Thank you.
Dad, was that scary?
Yeah, but you'll never get up there, unfortunately. You ready, Ohana?
Let's go, Dad.
Oh, we got a new friend here.
Oh my god, it's so scary. It's so fun.
Yeah, I just did 1 foot forwards, 1 foot back, and then push off the front foot. Yeah, you get more room than you think. I would just watch for the over rotation. That's my fear, is the over rotating.
Yeah.
And landing right in your back.
Okay. Well,
it doesn't look bad when you watch someone else do it. How was that? Bananas, right?
It doesn't look that bad when he did it. Go back up!
Let's go!
Oh, I know. I just have to send it. I just want to wait for it. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to send it once they get on there. Alright! You should see his big smile.
Becco, let's go!
Alright, I'm just going to send it.
Send it.
Count
1
to
film go.
3.
5, 4, 3, 2, send it. Let's go, B!
Alright, here comes Daddy!
The Bobster! Let's go, buddy! I'm coming, buddy.
Doc, let him clear out.
Just keep going straight. I'm coming.
He's not my phone. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Fire out, Knox. You're ready.
Good job, buddy.
This is your phone.
Let's do it, Bob. 3, 2.
Alright, I got this, guys. Here we go. Can you count me from 3? I love
3,
that.
2, 1.
Let's go,
Yep.
got this back on. You
Jump
got it.
out far.
Come on back. You got it back. Woo! We like cannonballs. Good job, Beckham.
Good job, Bobs. All right, here we go. I'll film myself on the way down. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that one hurt a little bit. We're good. All right, Bobs. All right, Bubs, I got him. His name is Beckham! Oh, come straight, I'm right here.
Right here, straight.
Yep. Good job, Bubs. Fist bump. Yes, you can. Put those fists up for the bump. Boom. All right, let's go. Next adventure.